Now, Paul says in Philippians, I can do all things. The word all things signifies that your strength is not limited to spiritual tasks alone, but encompasses all aspects of life, such as personal growth, relationships, and challenges. Now, it encourages believers to take bold steps in faith. Now, above the overall, Philippians 4:13 serves as a powerful reminder of believers' reliance on Christ for strength and the capacity to strive in various life situations. With this, I want to encourage someone today, because you try and they make it doesn't mean that all is lost. Because things looks difficult for you now doesn't mean you should give up on your dreams. Look, I want to tell you this. A lot of people are depending on you to wake up and wake them up from their dream world. God has given you to this planet to transform your generation. Now, you did not arrive on this planet by mistake or by accident. You came here for a specific reason. So don't allow your current situation to stop you from what you are to do here. Now, if you give up on your dreams and don't move, you are not just killing yourself or dying unfulfilled, but you will also kill the generation that God has assigned to you to lead, to mentor, to shape, to process. Now listen to this. When Moses was thrown out of the palace, I believe for Moses all was lost, because Moses grew up in royalty and he lived in the palace all his days. So leaving the palace to nowhere is a sign to Moses that all was lost. But I believe when Moses was really disappointed and thought that all was lost, he didn't know that God himself was leading him for a better and a higher calling. Now that problem, that failure, that disappointment you've had, it's God's way of molding and making you to have a testimony that will transform lives. There are always tests. Now, you are about to burst into your purpose. You are an asset and not a liability. Not happening now doesn't mean it will not happen. That business failing now doesn't mean you are a failure. That marriage failing now doesn't mean you are a failure. All is a process, and when that process has been completed, your laughter is for real. Now listen to this. When you try and fail, try again. If you still fail, try again. In all, keep moving and don't give up. Try a little bit harder and harder and harder and harder. Your blessing is around the corner and it's for sure. This is a year to reap everything that has been stolen for you. If you believe it, type in the comment section. I believe it, I receive it, and amen. God bless you. I want to ask you personally to kindly subscribe to my channel. By subscribing to my channel, you are encouraging me to bring more messages like this. Also like the video, and your comment will also help others. Your comment on the video or every video on this platform is much important. Also, whatever you will want us to discuss on this platform that will help others to gain understanding, please write it in the comment section. Share this video to everyone and anyone you know. Thank you. And God bless you. Shalom. Peace be unto you.